Hello there ladies and gentlemen, and today I'm going to be showing you how to dust your Xbox. And yeah, so a way of this is with an air duster. Now an air duster, this one cost me £10 and it does give out liquid sometimes, so I'm not trusting it on like motherboards and that, so I'm not going to use that. Well, first we'll go off and take away the DVD drive. Put that plugs. Alright, put it to the side. Pull the plugs out of your motherboard. Just yank them off. And of course we need to take off the fan as well. That's holding up the most dust, low fat dust. Okay, so now I have my flathead screwdriver. Go ahead and just pry this off like that, and just should come out just like that. Okie doke, just yank that off as well. Just it should come out fully. Okay, so now you should just have a motherboard in a metal case, and the easiest and safest way to clean it out is with a Turkish Excavators invention. As you can see, this is an ice cream lid of a thing. You could use a butter lid and that, but yeah, I'm using an ice cream lid. All you do is you just go. Now I've already done mine, so as you can see nothing's really coming up, but when you do yours you should get loads of dust frothing up. And yeah, that's how to dust your Xbox. So just keep on just that, give it a few dusty, and yeah. So thank you very much and subscribe.